Here I am an Arduino RGB LED and the Bluetooth named HC06 and the power supply and one mobile phone, smartphone, or View, Romanian, made in China, but design is in Romanian. I use Arduino RC. I try to connect. Here are more modes for. I use terminal mode because I send one. LED is red, we send 2, LED is blue, send 3 is green, send 4 is blue and red, send 5 is red and green, send 6 is blue and green, send 7 are blue, green, red, white, and if I send 0, red is off. Now more distance, send 1, red is red, send 2, blue, 3, green, 0, 0, off, 0, 0, off. It's okay. Android and Arduino with Bluetooth.